Welcome to the Forge Tutorials Maya Masterclass. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about history, basically what's the use of it and when you should clear it. So whenever you create and edit an object inside Maya, you tweak its vertices or you apply different commands like extrude and insert edge loop to it, Maya basically keeps the running history of all of those commands. So if we select the head of our hammer, you can see in the channel box right here, all of the commands that we applied to it in the input section. And if we go to our attribute editor, you can see that all of those nodes are right here available to us and we can edit them. We can change the bevel option. We applied the split ring to it. Basically all of the customization we make to our object are available to us through history in our attribute editor through these nodes. So whenever you're finalizing your asset or your scene, it's really good practice to clear the history. To do that, you can select that object, go to your edit menu and select delete by type and select delete history from here. Now this will delete all of these extra nodes and it will make your file size lower and it will give you a cleaner attribute editor. And you can also delete the history of your entire scene by going to your edit menu and going to select all by type and clearing history from there. And by doing that, you will clear the history of all of the objects that are in your scene. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, leave a comment, and if you want to support me directly, link to my merch store and my Patreon is in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video.